Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe video. Today we are making one of my favorite recipes, which I call vegan cheese that melts. This is a super healthy cheese using hemp seeds, so it's rich in nutrients, protein, and healthy fats. It's very stretchy and it's really great for grilled cheese sandwiches, mac and cheese, pizza, and nachos. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Let's go make it. First of all, we'll add hemp seeds and steamed carrots to a blender or food processor. You can leave out the carrots if you'd prefer a white colored cheese. Next, we'll add in nutritional yeast and tapioca starch, also called tapioca flour. This starch is what will make our cheese so stretchy. Then we'll add in some salt, garlic powder, apple cider vinegar, and 1 cup of water. Blend this up until smooth and pour into a pot. Heat this mixture on medium heat until it starts to bubble, and make sure you stir constantly to avoid clumping or burning on the bottom. After about 5 minutes of stirring, you'll have this beautiful stretchy cheese sauce that is very healthy and can be stored in the fridge for up to a week. If you'd like more healthy vegan recipes, you can hop on over to our website and check out our weight loss meal plans that are 50% off right now, our free starter guide, recipes, and articles. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye.